are looking at a view of Dragon and second stage separating as Dragon continues solo onto its mission to traverse over the next 64 hours or so to the International Space Station. Now, it's worth reiterating what Dragon's going to be doing over the next few hours. The very first thing we do now that we are separated is we prime the propulsion system. This is when we open those pressurant valves and enable us to fire our propellants so that we can readjust and orient our position out in space. We need to do that so that we can point at the tracking and data relay satellite system first. Once we acquire those ground stations, we can confirm communication with Dragon, which opens the door for all of the events that follow. Now, after we establish TDRS, we do an event called Solar Array Deployment. As Tom mentioned earlier, the solar arrays unfurl from the side of the trunk after their fairings are released. They are doing that so that we can recharge from energy harvested from the sun so that our onboard batteries will last this multi-day journey up to the space station. That solar array deployment occurs at about T plus 10, 11, 12 minutes or so that will come up soon, and we will provide coverage of that deployment. Now, after we close out the webcast, a few events will happen thereafter, and they are worth noting, and that is the opening of the GNC bay door next at about T plus 2 hours. GNC, as Lauren mentioned, stands for Guidance, Navigation, and Control, and that bay houses all of our sensors that we need for close proximity ops with the International Space Station. LiDARs, laser detection and ranging, thermal imagers, GPS units, star trackers, etc., so that Dragon continually knows both where it is and how it's oriented.